What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Cook and Capture. We are going to make a traditional Indian sweet milk peda. Start by pouring 1 liter milk into a pan or kadhai. Bring the milk to a boil on medium flame. Once milk start boiling, reduce heat to low flame. Keep stirring the milk to prevent sticking and burning. Continue until it reduces to 1/3 of its original quantity. This process will take around 30 to 40 minutes. As milk thickens, it turns into a creamy mixture called khoya or mawa. Once the milk reaches desired consistency, add 1/3 cup sugar, stir well until sugar completely dissolves. Add 1/4 teaspoon elaichi powder, mix well. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and mix well. If you want, you can add kesar at this stage. Now mixture leaves the sides of the pan. Turn off the flame, transfer the mixture into a plate, allow the mixture to cool slightly. Grease your hand with little ghee. Take small portion of mixture, roll each portion into smooth ball and then flatten it slightly to form a peda shape. Garnish with your choice of dry fruits. Cool pedas completely before serving so that they will firm up slightly and ready to enjoy. Without chashni, without khoya, you need only 2 ingredients, milk and sugar. Traditional Indian milk peda is ready. Try this milk peda recipe on festivals and enjoy with your family and friends. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.